Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called a link pyramid and a link wheel. First, let us take an example of link wheel. For example, your website, there is a page, say home page or any other internal page. Now you have shared it on Facebook as a status update from your Facebook fan page. Now the same status update, the Facebook link URL, you are sharing it with say twitter.com. Now what will happen? So your website, the page you have shared it on Facebook, then share the Facebook link to Twitter, and then share the Twitter link to your LinkedIn profile, and again from your LinkedIn profile you link back directly to your website. So this is called a wheel, link wheel. So what happen if you click on facebook.com and if you go to 7 Boats. Now for example, if you share this link, say this is the link, you have shared it. So if you, now this is the page of 7 Boats, this is internal page 7boats.com/fiotc-bcc. So this is the link you have shared on Facebook fan page. Now this is the Facebook fan page link. Now if you share it with your twitter.com profile, and again similarly take the Twitter link and share it with LinkedIn, and along with that from LinkedIn you put back the link directly to your website, say 7boats.com BCCI page. So in that way it is completing a wheel, that is called a link wheel. Link wheel is good for your link building and popularity. Now the another part is called link pyramid. Now what is called a link pyramid? If we check with this, so this is your website, the top level. Now you share your website homepage or any other internal page with a high authority website. For example, say 7boats.com is getting backlink from high authority websites, say yourstory.com or from mashabill.com or from IIT Kharagpur website. So this is called high authority links. These are less in numbers, but these are the most relevant and the most high quality backlink. Now you share that URL of your story or IIT page URL with various tier 2 websites like in Facebook, in your personal profile, in Twitter profile. So these are called tier 2 websites where you can share it. The number would gradually increase. The high authority links, these are less in number. Tier 2 websites links, these are more in number. Now you share with all these Facebook, Twitter links in other various tier 3 websites like Tumblr, like Blogger, like WordPress.com, in many other websites, and then you create different directories, blogging platform and other article directory, article submissions website page, press release submission websites. You put those Tumblr and Blogger and WordPress.com websites link into those article and different other directories. In that way, so you are creating a pyramid structure. So your website that is directly linked with high authority websites, then high authority websites you have shared the link with social networking sites, tier 2 websites. Those social networking sites links you have shared with different other blogging platforms, and those blogging platforms links you have shared with in different article submissions directories, business directories. So the lower part, bottom part, this is the quantity is higher, and in the topmost part the quality is higher. So this is called link pyramid. Why this is called link pyramid? Now for example, if your website is directly linked from other irrelevant low quality websites and the quantity is higher, then there is a chance that your websites get penalized by Google. But if you create it in a link pyramid format, then what happens, your website, you are getting direct backlink from the high quality websites, and those high quality websites again are getting backlinks from different social media sites, and then social media sites are getting backlinks from different tier 3 blogging, free blogging websites, and those blogging websites you have shared it with directory submissions websites, article submission websites. So in that way, if the article submissions directories, the business directories, these are all irrelevant and high quantity number sites, so if there is some sort of penalty, if ever you get any kind of penalty, so directly your website would not be hampered. You would get your blog, those free blogs like wordpress.com or blogger.com, those would be hampered, but not at all your own website. But if you build links from directly from irrelevant websites, if you put direct backlink, homepage backlink or deep links from those article and directory submissions website, there might be a chance that it would get devaluated and you get some kind of penalty in search engine ranking. So for safe side, always you have to create link pyramid. Thank you.